Hello students, welcome back. Class 9th, chapter 2, polynomials and factorization. Now we are in exercise number 2.3. So before starting this, we'll discuss about remainder theorem.
Definition of remainder theorem. If a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial x minus a, the remainder obtained is p of a. Or we can define it as let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a.
First question, find the remainder when
Let us start
x
our
cube plus
exercise
3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following polynomials. Polynomial is given x plus 1. So first we will start this problem. What is it given here? Given, find the remainder. What we need to find first? First of all, we must know what we need to find. Find the remainder. Okay, here one polynomial equation is given, is divided by the following linear polynomial. Which polynomial? Second polynomial equation. Two polynomial equations are given. So in this one, we have to take first step. Let f of x polynomial equation which is given in the question. This one I have to take it as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. I have to assume it as f of x. Okay. Now divided by the following linear polynomial. Second polynomial, let x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Put this value x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. F of x value is what? Minus 1. We have to put f of minus 1 is equal to, in place of x I have to put it what? Minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into, in place of x minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So here minus 1 whole cube is what? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus. Let us discuss here rough work. So minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So I got it here 1 minus 1. Then plus 3 into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. So I got it here plus 1. Here plus into minus, minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1. Now which is equal to minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So which is equal to, first to solve this, first I will take the plus sign numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 3, minus 1, both are in same sign. So we need to add here. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Which is equal to 0. So what have we got? F of minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 by 2. We have to take for this first same thing, solve. Find the remainder. We need to find the remainder when the polynomial is given. Let first step, what we need to do, let f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This we will highlight it. Now divided by the following linear polynomial. Which polynomial? X minus, let x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 go outside, plus 1 by 2 will get. Now put this x is equal to 1 by 2 in this f of x equation, polynomial equation. So f of x value is what? In place of x we have to put it what? 1 by 2 is equal to, wherever x is there, 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 into 1, 3 times we need to write. Here in rough work I will explain you. 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube means we need to write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 3 times. Okay. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 8. plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square means same thing, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 into 1 1 by 2 to the 4. So 1 by 4 we got plus 3 into 1 3 by 2 plus what 1. We got, put it here, f of 1 by 2 is equal to, f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 3 by 4 plus, okay, 3 by 2 plus 1 as it is like this. Now we have to take the LCM by 1, so we need to take the LCM. Same here, we will make the rough work column. So LCM is what, 8, 4, 2. So if we say 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are, again 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 as it is. Now 2 1s are 1 1. So LCM is what, 2 into 2 into 2, which are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got what, LCM is at 8. To solve this, we have a simple method. We'll take 1 as it is bracket, then plus 3 as it is bracket, plus 3 as it is bracket, plus 1 as it is bracket. Okay, any doubt here? Is it clear? Now we have to see which number will come in this bracket. How can we put here number? So we will check it here. If in the first one here 8 is there, in the denominator what is there, 8 is there. Here 8 divided by 8 1. So here also same thing, 3 by 4. After 3, 4 is there in the denominator, 4 is there. 4 divided by 8 2 we will get. 4 by 8 2. So 2 divided by 8 in the denominator, 2 is there. Here what is there, 8. 2 by 4 2 by 8, 2 ones are 2 4s are 4. So 1 divided by 8. So which is equal to, so now we have to multiply 8 as it is. We need to write 8 as it is. 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 2 3 2s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 8s are 8. Okay, now which is equal to 8 as it is. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 12 19, 19 plus 8 19 plus 8 20. Third bit, x. What is given? Only x. So solve. First step, what we need to do? Let f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This we need to take and highlight it. Now what is given? Let x is equal to, so directly we got x is equal to 0. Put it in this equation. F of wherever x is there 0 is equal to x is there 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Okay, now 0 cube means 0 plus 3 into 0 square is what, 0 plus 3 0 the 0 plus 1, which is equal to this. To all the numbers become 0 only, 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So therefore we got 1. F of 0 is equal to 1 plus pi is given. Solve. Same method we need to follow. We have to assume as, let f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is given in the question. This we have to take it. Okay. Now what is given in the question? Second one, x plus pi is given. What is given? Let x plus pi is equal to 0. X is equal to minus pi. We have to put in place of x we have to put it as minus pi. So f of minus pi is equal to minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay, now which is equal to f of minus pi is equal to minus pi whole cube means minus into minus plus plus into minus minus, pi into pi square, pi square into pi cube. Okay, plus 3 into minus pi whole square is what, plus minus minus plus pi into pi square. plus into minus minus 3 pi plus 1 which is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Now fifth question, what is given here? Let f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now this is given in the question. We have to find the remainder. What we need? We are finding the remainder. What is given? Let 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay. So 2x is equal to this 5 go outside. What it will become? Minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. We need to put this value in this equation. Whatever we are getting the answer, that will be the remainder. Okay. So why we are finding? Because in the question it is mentioned find the remainder. So this is the last question. Understand it very clearly. What we are doing? We are putting this x value in this equation. Whatever the answer we are getting, that will be the remainder. So f of x value is what? Minus 5 by 2 is equal to, as it is, x value is what? Minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into x value is what? Minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into x value is what? Minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Wherever x is there, I put it what? Minus 5 by 2. Now, which is equal to minus 5 by 2 whole cube is what? Minus into minus, we have to do it in the rough work. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube is equal to minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2, which is equal to minus to minus plus plus into minus minus. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 by 2 to the 4 to the 8. We got minus 125 by 8 plus 3 as it is minus 5 by 2 whole square, minus 5 by 2 whole square, minus 5 by 2 whole square means minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus 5 5 is 25 by 2 to the 4, which is equal to 25 by 4 plus into minus minus 3 5 is 15 by 2 plus 1. Okay, is it clear? Which is equal to, now we'll get minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into 25, 3 5 is 15, 3 to the 6 7, 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Now we have to find out, take out the LCM by 1. Here the LCM is what? Let us check here in the rough work. 8 4 2. So 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 as it is 1 as it is 2 1 as it is 1 as it is 1. So the LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 2 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 is the LCM. Okay. Now the same method we need to follow earlier what I told you. Minus 125 as it is bracket, then plus 75 as it is bracket, minus 15 as it is bracket, plus 1 as it is bracket. Okay. Now we have to see here in the denominator 8 is there, here also 8. 8 divided by 8 1. Here in the denominator 4 is there, here 8 is a 4 divided by 8 2. Here denominator 2, here 8. 2 divided by 8, 2 4s are 4. We will get here 1. 1 divided by 8, 8. We will get 8. Okay. Any doubt here? Is it clear? Now 8 as it is in the denominator, same as it is, we have to put minus 125 into 1 minus 125 plus 75 into 2 150 minus 15 into 4 4 5 is 20 4 on the 4 5 6 60 plus 1 into 8 8. Now which is equal to, LCM is what? 8. Now we have to add the plus sign numbers. 150 plus 150 plus 8, how much? 158. Now add minus sign number, minus 125 minus 60 minus 180 185. We will get minus 185. So 158 minus 185. We have to use bigger number sign minus. Okay, here by 8 as it is. 185 minus, we need to subtract bigger number minus smaller number. 158. So bigger number, we just put it here, minus sign here. 185 minus 158. 5 minus 8 we will not get, so we have to take the 7 here. We will take it for 15 minus 8. 7. Okay. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So we will get 27. So therefore we will get f of minus 5 by 2 is equal to, therefore f of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 27 by 8. We will start. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. So we need to find the remainder here. So first, what is given? Let f of x is equal to x cube minus p x square plus 6x minus p is given. It is divided by x minus p. So we have to take it as x minus p is equal to 0, x is equal to minus p, go outside, plus p. We have to put x is equal to p in this equation. That will be the remainder. So f of, in place of x, what we need to put? P is equal to, wherever x is there, p cube minus p into, wherever x is there, p square plus 6 into, wherever x is there, p minus p. Right? Now, which is equal to p cube, p into p into p cube minus p into p square, p cube plus 6p minus p. Okay, now plus p cube minus p cube get cancelled, which is equal to what is remaining? 6p minus p, which is equal to 6p minus p, 5p. So we got f of p is equal to 5p. So 5p is the remainder. If we divide, find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5. What we need to find? Find the remainder. Remainder we need to find. What is given? 2x square. So let f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is given. Okay, is divided by 2x minus 3. So it is dividing with 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? So here after this here one more question it is asking, does it exactly divide the polynomial? So does it exactly dividing with this polynomial? We have to check. If we are getting answer as 0, remainder as 0, then it is dividing with this polynomial. If we are not getting the answer as 0, then it will not divide. Okay, so state reason. We have to give the reason also. So to solve this, what is given? 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to take 2x is equal to plus minus 3 go outside, plus 3 we will get x is equal to 3 by 2. We have to put this 3 by 2 in this equation. F of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into, in place of x, 3 by 2 plus 5, which is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square. 3 3s are 9 by 2 2s are 4. We will get minus 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 5, which is equal to, now we can cancel this. Okay, or else we can multiply this then cancel it. So here easily we can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are. We got 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. Okay, so here also we can cancel this 9 plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 get cancelled, which is equal to 5. So we got f of 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? No, it is not dividing because we are getting answer as 5. So no. State reason. No. The remainder is what we are getting, the remainder answer as 5 because the remainder as 5. So 2x minus 3 is not a factor of f of x. What is f of x value? 2x square minus 3x plus 5 we can say. So here we are not getting the answer as 0, so that's why it is not a factor of. If we are getting answer as 0, means if we are getting the remainder as 0, then it is a factor. So find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. So find the remainder. Let f of x is equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is given. Is divided by x minus 2 by 3. So what is the given? X minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 go outside plus 2 by 3. So we have to put this value x is equal to 2 by 3 in this equation. F of wherever x is there 2 by 3 we have to put it is equal to 9 into x value is what? 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus x value is what? 2 by 3 minus 5. Okay, which is equal to 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square. 2 into 2 4 by 3 3s are 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 1. Okay, now we can cancel this. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We got 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 1. Okay, now we'll take the LCM, which is equal to, LCM is what? We have to do it in rough work. 3, 2, 3. LCM is what? 3, 1, 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. Here we have to put 8 bracket minus 4 bracket plus 2 bracket minus 5 bracket. Now we have to check 6 divided by 3 divided by 6. Here 3 is there, here 6. 3 divided by 6 2. 2 divided by 6 3. 3 divided by 6 2. 1 divided by 6 6. What is remaining here? 8 2s are 16 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5 6s are 30 divided by 6. Okay, now which is equal to, we have to add the plus number sign by 6 as it is. What is here? 16 plus 4 20 minus 30 minus 12 minus 42, which is equal to by 6 as it is. We have to use the bigger number sign. Minus 42 plus 20, so bigger number sign. So now 22 minus 22 divided by 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are, which is equal to minus 11 by 3.